Hello everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to show you guys a new paper airplane flight. This is a new design and I hope you guys will enjoy making this plane. The plane can be made in 1 minute only, so check it out. Note that this is not a long distance paper airplane, so do not throw it hard. Just make a kick throw and you will be surprised how it's flies. Check it out now. Wow, it flies very well, right? So let's try again. Imagine that if you throw it from a very high building or from a peak of a mountain or something, it will fly for a long distance. Now let's fold the paper in half this way. And then fold the paper in half again. Now unfold the paper. Let's start from the upper part. Let's fold down. 1, 2, and 3. Next step, let's just flip the paper over like this. Fold the paper in half. And then start from this upper part. Let's fold out to create the first wing. Repeat the same for the other side to create the second wing. And here you go guys, this is the new paper airplane.